The largest cause of outages, power outages for most utilities is vegetation. So as you have power lines throughout a community, typically there are trees growing in and around those power lines, and those trees cause outages. As you experience those outages, of course, that's a negative impact to customers. And so we want to try ways to prevent those outages and restore them as quickly as possible. So an area that eSource Data Science focuses on is helping utilities optimize what we call their risk spend efficiency. How can we take the dollars that we have and use that to the most advantage on our system for eliminating the risk, in this case, specifically caused by vegetation management? And that can be elimination of risk in the form of trimming trees or going all the way to strategically moving assets or undergrounding them to prevent future power outages. Most utilities historically have operated their vegetation management and much of their maintenance program on their system in a cadence based. So they're going out and trimming sets of lines every 5 years, every 8 years, whatever that right cadence is for that specific utility. But as we've had the advent of big data and wide availability of geospatial data, think Google Earth, the ability to zoom in and really look at individual areas, there's been this opportunity to say, hey, how can we use all of this information and process it at scale through the power of distributed cloud computing to understand how it interacts with our utility system and then prioritize it? I would say historically they've been doing the best they can with the information they have, but now we have a new opportunity to leverage better and different information because of the advent of data science and processing large volumes of data at scale.